We guide you through how to hard reset Samsung phone quickly. First, make sure your device has at least 50% battery and that you've backed up important data because this process will erase everything. Then, power off your phone completely. Once it's off, press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding until the Samsung logo appears and the recovery mode screen shows up. Now, use the volume buttons to navigate and highlight wipe data or factory reset. Then press the power button to select it. Scroll down to factory data reset and confirm again using the power button. Your phone will begin the reset process, which may take a few seconds to minutes. Once it's done, you'll see the option Reboot System Now. Press the power button to restart your device. After reboot, your Samsung phone will be restored to its original factory settings and you can now set up like new or restore your backup.